ki kamba kongsan hakamat trekam jong keseng kongres kilong ke jingsiu baibela ke basaus pa sngi hakari kapisa ke ba shilak ngan la ke wei ke tliuying man la ke snem ke baderu ya ke long yeng ke baduna ke yok ke kot bat kumba sanpo persen ke kam ya kilong kmi hakikam ke sorkar pedek haba kren shakilal pathai ku bor vice president ke youth congress u ban piralang pasaya moj ula ong ba ke kongres ha kimat trekam kala kula de ki kam Pynroi ba pher ha ki wei ki kam jingte.
The Indian National Congress, we have just released a manifesto. It's officially being released, and we as a Youth Congress, we feel that it's our responsibility to let the people hear about what the vision of the Congress is. The vision of the Congress is aptly put in. We'll just summarize a few points, all right, because it's a huge manifesto. The manifesto includes the vision that the Congress have for the youth, the vision that the Congress have for the women, the vision that the Congress have for students, the vision that the Congress have for the sports person. So we'll just address 4 or 5 points whereby people will know what the Congress has plans for them. Regarding the youths, for the youth, the Congress, for our youths, all right, the Congress guarantees a new right to apprenticeship act. If we come to power, every graduate, every diploma holder, they'll have a 1-year period whereby they will be paid a sum of rupees 1 lakh. And then the Right to Apprenticeship Act will also ensure that a minimum wage is being given to the graduate or the diploma holder. This is one which ensures that no exploitation happens in the private sector or in the public sector. Another thing for the youth, which in regard to the sports, the Congress will provide a sports scholarship for any youth below the age of 21 and who is talented in his or her discipline. So a scholarship of 10,000 per month, not per year, a scholarship of 10,000 per month will be given to talented youths in different disciplines of the sporting arena below the age of 21. That's for the youth, though there are many points here, but we'll just highlight points which will be more where our people in Meghalaya can relate more. That's for the youth. For the women, this is one part of women empowerment. The Congress has resolved that they will give, if they come to power, they will give a sum of rupees 1 lakh to every poor household in the country. Any poor household below the ladder, but the bottom of the ladder, they will receive a sum of rupees 1 lakh, and the amount will be transferred directly to the oldest women member in the family. In the absence of a women member, the cash will be transferred to the eldest member of the family. Then regarding for the women empowerment, the Congress will reserve 50%, will provide a reservation of 50% in central government jobs starting from the year 2025. That means in every central government opening, 50% reservation will be given to the women population. Then, even for the ASHA workers, the contribution of the central government to the frontline health workers such as ASHA, Anganwadi workers, midday meal cooks, it will be double. If they're getting now 2,000, by the year 2025, if the Congress comes to power, the amount will be double. That is 4,000 they'll be getting, or any amount will be double. That is for the women. And then regarding sports, I've told you, anybody with below the age of 21, they'll be provided a scholarship of 10,000 per month. And then for the daily wage workers, first we will just highlight about we call in here in Meghalaya the 100 days worker, right? The MGN REGA Act that we have. Right now they are getting an amount of maybe 200, somewhere in the figure of 200 to 250. If the Congress comes to power, the daily wage will be increased to 400 per day for every female worker of the 100-day scheme. Then even the ASHAs, all right, because there are places where ASHA workers are being overburdened by work. So there are places where a population in a village is more than 2,000, there's only one ASHA worker. But now the Congress says that in every village where the population is more than 2,500, we will increase the number of workers by giving one more extra ASHA worker in that particular village. Then regarding the farmers, the Congress has stated that we will implement the minimum support price for our farmers for the products, for the produce that they bring out. Now, the minimum support price is not implemented here in Meghalaya because we don't have such crops. But now it will be more customized, whereby even the farmers in Meghalaya, right, they will be getting a minimum support price for the produce. Then there will be also for the farmers' benefit, there will be a crop insurance scheme, whereby if there is any natural calamity which affects the crops, the farmers will get a minimum sum of money, whereby within 30 days, whereby which will even provide them a seed money to reinvest in agriculture. So this is for the farmers. A crop insurance scheme will be made available to our farmers, and this also should be claimed within 30 days. This is what the Congress promised for our farmers.